Hey everybody, I'm back again with another reminder. Hope you are doing good. As you know that I come here every week to give you a reminder for your spoken English. Are you practicing English these days? If you are not, then this video is for you. I know from time to time you need push, you need motivation, right? So if you need motivation, I'm here, right? And every week I come here, I actually tell you a lot of things, but I know, like every English learners, you are also a procrastinator. Don't you know the meaning of this word? Okay, here the meaning for you on your screen. Procrastinator. If you prioritize works that are less important than the work that is the most important, then you are a procrastinator. All right. So let's talk about prioritization. Today I'm here to talk about prioritization. What works are you prioritizing? Do you have a lot of things to do? And for that reason, you are delaying this wonderful skill, which will definitely help you to get a lot of opportunities in future. It actually opens a lot of doors of opportunities. Yes, if you don't know English, you feel insecure from within. Now, we don't know. That's probably the conditioning of the society, right? We live in a society where everybody is insecure when he or she doesn't know English. We often feel humiliated. Why? Because we feel like we're not able to speak English. Now, that's wrong. Because we are not prioritizing the most important thing in your life, and that is spoken English. And you watch a lot of videos, bunch of videos on YouTube every day, and you think you are speaking brilliant English. That's your practice. No, my dear friend. No. Watching videos, fantasizing about your fluency, thinking about your best speakers, they don't make you fluent, right? All you need to do is to just take the first step and you have to speak whatever the things going on in your mind. Prioritize speaking English. Yeah, here, speak, I'm using this word as a verb. You just have to speak as much as possible. I often suggest this thing to my student. I tell them, hey, increase the quantity of your speaking, right? How long do you speak English? I'm talking to you right now. Yes, you're watching this video, I'm talking to you. How long do you speak English? What's the quantity? Are you speaking English every day for 5-6 hours? No? Then it will take a long time. It's going to take a long time. And if you are anxious because you are not fluent, how can you be fluent in a language if you don't speak that language? There are a lot of YouTube videos like this. There are a bunch of videos talking about technicalities, grammar, so many other things. Yeah, they are important, but you have to speak first. If you don't speak, nothing works. So today here, I'm talking about prioritization. Prioritize speaking English, which is important. You have to pick up a topic, any topic. What's going on in your mind right now? Tell me. Pause this video for at least a minute. Just speak a little bit about what's going on in your mind right now. Hope you have done that. All right, congratulations. You have taken the first step. Now your job is to repeat this practice as many times as possible. As I said earlier, you have to increase the quantity of your speaking. As you increase the quantity of your speaking, so your quality of English grows. Trust me, this method is amazing. Your job is to speak. Prioritize speaking English. Whatever the things you are doing online, they're amazing. Whatever the things you are watching online, on YouTube, on Facebook, people are giving you a lot of gyans. You're getting a lot of nuggets of wisdom about spoken English. But if you don't speak English, you're not going to be a fluent speaker. Hope you're gonna develop a great level of fluency before this year ends. We are a couple of days away from entering a brand new year 2024. Hope you are gonna end this year gracefully. So in the end, prioritize your speaking, which is important. Listening is important, reading is important, and fantasizing about the kind of a speaker you are going to be is important. But the most important thing is speaking. You have to speak. I come here every week to give you a small reminder so that you can become the best speaker possible according to your version. If you're a regular member of my channel, thank you so much. But if you're a regular member and you haven't subscribed to my channel, that's not fair. You have to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you think this video is useful. Share this video with your friends on WhatsApp. Until next time, prioritize your English. Keep speaking.